minutes. Hello, can you hear me? Can you comment below so that I can know whether you can hear me or not? That's good. I can hear you guys. So let us start this class today. So this class today is going to be really a little bit advanced and a little bit funny. Okay, so without much delay, let us start because we don't have much time today, because we need to cover so much of stuff today. Okay, so let us start the class. So okay, so what do you think profit and loss it's gonna be? Okay, someone of you can just comment so that I can know what profit and loss is gonna be for you. Okay, so there is something that we can know from this profit and loss. Let us see what we can learn today. Alright, so today I'm gonna share you something about profit and loss. So I don't know, people need to join. Okay, there we go. So profit and loss. Okay, the name itself says profit and loss, right? So if you are trying to see how this goes, just try to understand that there is profit in some case called as selling price minus cost price. If you take loss, it is also called as cost price minus selling price. Okay, so hope you guys can hear me. If you could hear, just comment below so that I can know that you are hearing. Yes, no. Hello everyone, can you just comment so that your names, or else say hello so that I can start. Okay, it just started now. Okay, something that we can know. Okay, that's good guys. So profit and loss is a very important topic. So before going into any further, let me give you a few terminology so I can write it down. So how the profit and loss is. Yeah, hello Harini. Are you good, Harini? Yeah, that's good, Harini. I could see you putting S. So let us start the class. So do you know, hello Rohit, do you know anything about, hello Abu Talha, do you know anything about profit or loss? I think you only 3 people are there, so I'll be teaching you very clearly. We can go one by one. Okay, so that's good. For you three, we'll be going one by one. If you are getting any small doubt, please ask me so that I can go one on one. Okay, there we go. So the terminology, it is like in day-to-day life we sell things, right? Like we sell things, we purchase things, and sometimes we get them for cheap, that is very less price, and sometimes we get them for high price. If we get them from cheap price, we call it as profit. If we got sometimes very high price, we call it as loss. Okay, so how does it works? So let us see one by one. So the basic thing is, first there is a manufacturer, and then from him it goes to wholesaler, and from wholesaler it goes to retailer, and finally to the customer, that is we. Okay, so by going here to here, there is a process. In this process there could be profit, there could be loss, there could be neither nor, that is net. Okay, so we'll be seeing one on one. So let us see into depth. So what is the terminology that we're using here in profit and loss? Okay, so the cost price, the basic thing. If you're eating a chips packet, if you're taking a chip packet, actually we seen here, right? So the chip packet manufacturer, he could do it for 5 rupees, and when it comes to wholesaler, he could sell it for 6 rupees, and retailer for he could sell it for 7 rupees. And finally the retailer for customer he could sell it for 9 rupees or else 10 rupees, right? So either 9, not 10. So if I buy for 9 rupees, I am getting profit of 1 rupee because it is the RPM, MRP, sorry, MRP, maximum retail price. Okay, so by this we will be doing. So the cost price is something which is called as MRP. Okay, and second thing is selling price. For how much is he selling? Okay, how much is he selling? And the third thing is profit or gain. So profit or gain is something how much I am gaining. If see, if it is more than if I'm selling more than the cost price, I'm always gaining. If I'm selling less than the cost price, I'm always losing. Okay, so this is time for you guys. So Harini, uh, Rohit and Talha, just try to understand. So if someone joined, if you can just comment so that I can know your name. Okay, so let me ask you a question. There are 100 people. Sorry, there is 100 people, and each one brought uh, biscuit packet for 500 rupees. Okay, so they sold each one for 600 rupees. Is there a profit or loss? Can you just comment? Okay, Tirupati, that's good. Is it profit or loss? Come on. Can someone of you just comment? Yeah, come on. Is it profit or loss? Profit. That's good, Tirupati. That's good, Rohit. Okay, so this is a simplest answer. That's good, Gautam Reddy. Okay, that's yeah. It's a common sense, right? It's a common sense question. So now from now on, I'll be going to little bit depth. So try to understand. So this is something I want to teach you guys. So just try to understand. So it'll be really easy. Okay, before going any further, let me give you a small example. So whenever I am going to teach, I am teaching in my style. So it is called no, I will be using no formulas, only I will be using 3 formulas. Okay, 3 formulas. Just try to understand. Whenever I am taking like this, if I take like this 1 by 4, it is 24%, 25%. The bottom one, I call this one as cost price. Okay, and depends on this, it could be the top one, it could be my gain or loss. Okay, it could be my gain or it could be my loss. Okay, so this is the only formula that I'll be using all the way of any question that I'm encountering with today. Okay, any question. And 2 common sense questions that you had given me. So first common sense is cost price. What is profit? Profit is something. What is profit? It is profit is always more like it's more than cost price, right? So selling price minus cost price. This is the first common sense thing. And second thing is loss. Loss is always less, right? Loss is always like I'm selling at lesser price, so cost price minus selling price. And the final thing is discount. Okay, 3 formulas I said, only 3 formulas. Discount. Discount is market price minus selling price. Okay, these are the only 3 formulas I'll be using for the entire course. Okay, so try to understand. If you got any doubts here, just let me know. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. These are the 3 common sense questions, like 3 common sense formulas. And this is something which is really important. Try to understand. And if I add these both, I'll be getting selling price. Okay, so what we got over cost price after selling is called profit. Perfect, that's good, Tirupati. That's really good. Okay, so yeah, so this is how we're gonna do the complete course. Okay, so there's so much to explain for you. So but I'm thinking whether to go into depth or not. So can you guys say at which level are you at? Do you want me to teach little bit depth or else little bit advanced or else basic? Just comment so that I can know. Some of you comment. Okay, no one is commenting. Just comment. Just you want a little bit depth or else easy, like a basic thing. I didn't receive any comments. Okay, I'll be using, because no one has had commented, I'll be using my own style, so I'll be teaching everything. Okay, yeah, sir, go with some depth. Okay, that's good. I'll be going a little bit depth. Yeah, depth, sir. Okay, so everyone knows this thing, right? So I'll be go a little bit depth. If you're not understanding, just let me know in the comment box, so I could a little bit go slow. Okay, no worries. So with this only single formula, I will doing the entire thing. Okay, so let us go a little bit thing. So when we change profit percentage or loss percentage in fraction, the numerator shows the profit value or loss value, and the denominator shows the actual value. Okay, so at which the profit percent loss per is calculated. So it can be the actual value is also called as be cost price, and when we add these two, we'll be getting selling price. That is what I said you before. Okay, let us see a few examples, and if you only get this, we can go further from beginning. Okay, Mohan, there is nothing. This is from beginning. I'm just sharing you from the beginning. It's simple, Mohan. This is profit or loss, the one which is in the numerator, and one which is in the denominator is cost price or as actual value. And when we add these two, we'll be getting the selling price. That's it. Okay, Mohan. It's from the beginning. That's it. I didn't say anything new. Okay, so from now on, just try to understand from here. So okay, here I took profit of 11.1/9 percentage. So 11.1/9 percentage is the fraction value of, can someone say what is the 11.1/9 percentage fraction value? Okay, that's good. 1/9. You guys are really clever. So 1/9. As I said you, the top one is numerator is profit, and the denominator is, can someone say denominator is cost price. That's good. So what we are going to do is then calculated on CP. Okay, so then what we can do is we need to know the profit price. You need to know the selling price. So selling price, as I said, selling price is equals to profit plus cost price. So it's gonna be 10. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Ashriti, Pranati, and that's good. Tirupati. That's good. Okay, so this is selling price, 10 parts. As Tirupati said, it's 100. Okay, that's good. So percentage, when we do per percentage. So second thing, let us go into this value. If it loses 14 2/7 percentage calculated on CP, then so can someone of you say the value of CP of 14 2/9 percentage? It's gonna be easy. It is 1/7. So simple. So the bottom value is CP, the top value will be loss percentage. Okay, loss. So what we're gonna do, as simple as I can. So I told you that before, whenever it sets P in the basic, someone Tirupati said, right, it's a common sense. So simple. Okay, selling price is something which we take from cost price minus loss. So it's gonna be, it's really simple. Selling price is something equals to cost price is 7 minus 1 will be 6. Okay, so selling price is to cost price is gonna be 6:7. Okay, so yeah, that's really good. So let us go to the final question. Yeah, 1/7. That's good, Gautam Reddy. Final question. Can someone of you answer this one? 6 1/4 percentage. Also, the fraction value is, come on. Okay, let me say it is 1/16. Okay, you need to be fast, man. You can do this. Okay, bottom value is always CP. The top value is profit or loss. They gave profit, so it is going to be profit. So because it's profit, we'll add both, so it will be 15. sorry 17. Okay, so the here they asked CP is to SP, CP is to SP, CP is 16, SP is 17. Okay, that's it. So this is the only basic thing that I told you guys. So if you know this one formula and this common sense tools that I told you, these 3 common sense questions, you can do all the rest questions. Okay, let us go forward. Okay, there is one more thing that I want to teach you guys. So while solving the questions, we compare actual value with the ratio value to find out the required value of answer. See example, I will be saying a small example. If I take cost price as 50 and profit as 20%, okay, then selling price is equals to enta, how much? Can someone of you say? What is the selling price? Come on. Yes, come on, say the answer. Cost price is 50, profit is 20%. What is the selling price? I'm waiting for your answer. Can someone of you? Come on, Gautam Reddy, Pranati, Tirupati, Mohan, Shekhar. I guess it's easy. I didn't raise any of your. Come on. That's good, Gautam Reddy, 60. Okay, how? Let us see. That's Gautam Reddy is really good. So let us see, it's going to be really simple. 20%. So 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. So as I'm saying from the beginning, it is the cost price. And this is the profit. Okay, so what I'll be doing is, cost price is 5. Selling price is, we'll add these to 6. So for 5 parts, it is 50. For 6 parts, it is SP, right? So for 6 parts, how much? So it's going to be 6 into 50 by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. It is 60. That's good, Tirupati. That's okay. The message is going 30 seconds late. Okay, there is a little bit delay, I think so. So next time I'll be using no delay. So it will be used. Okay, that's good. So all right. So this is the answer. Okay, so you guys are really good. So let us go with this introduction to forward. Okay, so there are some useful shortcuts. I don't know whether you want shortcuts or not, but please let me know if you want, because I don't like shortcuts actually. Someone of you want? Okay, if you guys comment, I'll give you the shortcuts. Okay, no worries, I will say you because time is going up. So few shortcuts, guys, very few. I'm not giving everything, but it's gonna be simple. See, if you first shortcut, this one is first shortcuts. If a man buys X items for Y and sells Z items for W, then the gain or loss percent made by him is this one. Okay, so basically what we'll do is quantity here, price here. I never use formulas, but yeah, Tirupati and Gautam, I'll never use formulas for the questions, but I'm just saying you for your understanding. That's it. Because without formulas, if I say the entire course, you guys think like this man is really crazy. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying this. Okay, it's gonna be really simple. Just try to understand. So just cross multiply. We'll be multiplying this one with this one, and again we will multiply this one with this one, minus 1 into 100%. That's it. Okay, how it goes, let us see. So there is some question that I wrote here. So someone of you can just do it like this and you can get the answer. Just comment the answer so I can know that you guys can understand. If 6 oranges are not, okay, sorry for the, yeah, not for brought, it's not it's bought. Okay, bought for 5 rupees and sold at 5 for 6 rupees, what is the gain or loss percent? Okay, can someone of you comment the answer? Okay, all right. Before you're commenting, like you comment, meanwhile I will do the answer. So it's going to be really simple. Just quantity and price. Okay, quantity. What is the quantity here? 6 oranges, right? So 6 oranges I'll be writing here as 6. And what is the price here? It is 5 rupees. And now what is the next quantity? Sold it 5, so we'll be writing 5 here again for 6 rupees. 6 rupees. From here on we will just multiply with this one, and this one with this one, minus 1. That's it. So 6 6 36. Oh, just a minute. Yeah, by 25 minus 1. Okay, can someone just comment the answer? Okay, so I'm waiting. Okay, I don't know whether you guys can comment or not, but I'll doing the answer. 36 by 25 minus 25 into 100. I'm just doing it because it's a basic thing, so I'm just doing it. Okay, come on guys, you can answer. I'm just waiting for you guys. That's good, Gautam Reddy, that's good. But I think తొందరలో పొరపాట్లు చేస్తుంటాం. Okay, I'll be saying the answer anyway. So percentage of profit is going to be really simple. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 36 minus 25 is going to be 11. So it is 44% profit. Okay, you got it. That's good, Praniti. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So let us go to the next. Okay, so here we go. So for the next question, okay, you got this concept, right? I believe you got this concept. It's going to be really simple. Just to multiply this one with this one, this one and this one, and just take minus 1 and you'll be getting the answer, profit percentage. Okay, so yeah, there is one more question that you guys are asking. So how to know whether it's a profit? Yeah, no worries. So let us go to the second thing. Only one more to go. Yeah, there we go. So second thing, can you guys read it? Yeah. If the cost price of m particles is equal to the selling price of n articles, then percentage of gain or loss. See, Cp of m articles is equal to Sp of n articles. Upper percentage of gain or percentage of loss is how much? So we can do it in many ways, but that's good, Ratna Kumari. So we can do it in many ways, but try to understand. We will be going in this way. Okay, so that's the formula that I'm going to give in blue color. Okay, percentage of gain or percentage of loss equivalent to, it is very simple, m minus n by n into 100. That's it. Okay, it's a simple thing. So m minus n by n into 100. So see, if m is greater than n, we'll be getting percentage of gain, but if m is less than n, we'll be getting percentage of loss. Hope you guys got it, how we get percentage of gain, percentage of loss. Okay, so with this introduction, I think I can go to the you can also answer the question just beside this. Okay, I think we can go to this question. So try to understand here. So if your selling price of 9 articles is equal to the cost price of 12 articles, what is the profit percentage or loss percentage? I will do it in two ways. First way, I'll be doing it like this, and second way, I'll be doing in my own way. Okay, first let us do it like this. So what is m here? So 12 articles, so 12 minus 9 by 9 into 100. That's it. 33 by 33 1 by 3. Come on, answer. You guys are not answering. Yeah, I think you'll be answering soon. Okay, so let us go to the next. So how I will do is 9 sp9 means equal to cp12. That I'll be writing like sp by cp is equal to 3 4. So it will be 4 by 3. Okay, so we can do it in this way also. Okay, but no worries, that's good, Gautam Reddy, that's good, really good, Gautam Reddy. But it is not loss percentage, it's profit percentage. Why I'll say that. Okay, so let us see one by one. So that's really good that you guys are doing it. So one more and I will leave this. Okay, so yeah, this is the one more final one, and I will going to leave. So if A sells an article to B at gain percent or loss percent of M percentage, and B sells to C at gain percent loss percent of N percentage, then find the resultant. So it's going to be really simple. M plus N plus M N by 100. It's really important also because we are using most of the time. That's good, Ratna Kumari. That's good, Pranati. Oh, that's really good. No worries, you guys are really doing good. So how is it's going to be really simple, and we use it most of the times. Okay, so sells it A sells it to B and B sells it to C. So what is the gain percent, loss percentage? So this is the formula we'll be using. So I don't want to go into details and make you bore. Okay, so yeah guys, so we can also use, there are many other formulas. I'll be giving one by one. So if you want to write it down. I don't want to waste much time here. So when two different articles A and B are sold at for same selling price, okay, so getting a gain of X percentage on the first and gain loss of X percentage on the second. So overall percentage of the loss. Sir, which application you are using for presentation? Okay, let me do it. Okay, okay, just a minute. Yeah, so percentage of loss for overall will be X square by 100. Okay, percentage. So this is the basic formulas we'll be using. So also there are few other things, but I don't like the formulas, so I'm leaving this. Okay guys, so with this we completed our basic concepts. Okay, now we are moving on towards the next level. So it is going to be basic, but we are going to do some examples or problems or whatever you think it is. So welcome to humanity, where problems are our best friends. Okay guys, so I know it could be blurry, but try to understand because I don't have much time. I just use my own book and reference. Okay, so find the cost price of an article which is sold at 630 at a profit of 12.5%. So try to understand this one. It's going to be really simple. So see this. So here they gave 12.5%. So first take the percentage. So 12.5% is also called as 1 per 8. Okay, so if you guys can answer this, you can answer. I'm just saying slow so that you can answer. Okay, so 1 by 8. So it's going to be simple. 8 is my CP, 1 is my profit, they said, so it's profit. So it's going to be simple. So selling price is something which we add both. So 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. So selling price they already gave 9 parts ki 630. So for one part how much? So 9 70s, right? So 70. So CP is going to be 8 parts, 8, that is 8 into 70. Sorry for that. Come on, answer it guys, it's going to be really simple. Okay, I believe you guys are answering. No worries. So 8 into 70 is going to be 560. Okay, so that's it. So we can do it. Okay, let me go fast. I don't know why you guys are not answering the simple questions. Okay, no worries. Next question also be the same, so you guys can answer this one. Come on, do it faster than me. So find the CP of an article which is sold at 1470 at a profit of 2 by 3. 16 2 by 3 is also called as 1 by 6. 6 is a cost price, so they sold. So it is 7. For 7 it is 1470, and for 1 how much? So 7 2 7 1 0 6 210. So they asked cost price. 6 into 210 will be my answer. Comments you are getting late, sir. Okay, sorry for that. That's good, Tirupati. 560 is really good. I'm getting it. So I'm getting low width of bandwidth. Okay, no worries. So 6 into 210 is equals to 1260 rupees. Okay, there is some delay, I think so. So yeah, so hope you're getting it. Because it's the same question, I'm not again repeating it. So let's go to the next question. A shopkeeper sells his articles at 16.3% profit on selling price. Okay, so hello, find his actual profit percentage. So they are asking actual profit percentage. See, try to understand here. That's good. 1260. That's good. That's really good. So okay, so let us go with the question answer here. So 16.2% is also written as 1 per 6. So 1 per 6, this 6 is also called as cost price. This 1 is also called as, because they gave a profit percentage, we call it as a profit. So selling price is gonna be 7. So on selling price, okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry for this. Here they said on selling price, so here it will be becoming as selling price. Okay, so the cost price will be 5. Okay, 6 minus 1 equals to 5, right? Yeah, that's good. So cost price will be 5 and actual profit percentage will be 1 by 5 into 100. So it's gonna be 20%. So any doubts? Okay, I believe there are no doubts. So let me go further now. 1, 2, 3, yeah. All right, next question. So a shopkeeper sells his goods at 8.1/3% profit on selling price. Find actual profit percentage. See, whenever it's getting on selling price, the denominator will be selling price. Okay, so try to understand. So 8.1/3%, the fraction value for this one is gonna be 8.1/3, 1 by 12, right? So 1 by 12. So also this 12 is our SP this time. So 1 is always profit. So whenever we get the cost price, it's gonna be 12 minus 1, it's gonna be 11. And finally, let us go with this profit, actual profit percentage. So actual profit percentage, so let us go step into it. So actual profit percentage is something which is 1 profit by cost price. Okay, let me write down here, profit by cost price into 100. So profit is 1, cost price is 11 into 100. So 1 by 11 into 100, the fraction value, percentage value is 9 by 9, 1 by 11 percentage. Okay, so hope you got it. Let us go to the next. So let's go next question. So it's gonna be really simple. So a man sells his goods at 25% loss on selling price. So here the question got stuck, I think so. So find his loss percentage or else gain percentage. No, it is loss percentage. Okay, guys can comment. I am waiting for your comments. Maybe there is 30 seconds delay, I think so. Maybe if you are writing it right. So meanwhile I'll do the answer. Okay, so a man sells his goods at 25% loss, right? So what exactly we'll be doing here is 25% is also called as 1 by 4. So this will be the selling price, this will be my loss this time. So SP will be, so can some, that's good, 25% is 1 by 4. That's really good, Tirupati. And the selling price, can someone say what is the selling price here? Here only we're going into some papu, right? So it is here cost price. So cost price ante ikkada add cheyali akkada kada, endukante 1 5 నుంచి 1 తీస్తే 4 అవుతుంది, 33.3%. Let us see. Okay, that's good. That's good. Gautam Reddy, that's good. Tirupati, everyone are really good. Thanks for commenting. So guys, let us move forward. They asked loss percentage. So loss percentage enta. So ఎప్పుడు చూడండి, loss percentage అని అడిగితే do it this way. So loss per cost price into 100. సో లాస్ ఎంతరా 1, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంతరా 5 ఇంటూ 100 ఎంతరా 1 by 5 అంటే 20%. That's good, Gautam Reddy. That's good. You're really good. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Sixth question. Okay, so రాసుకోండి. Cost price of 16 articles is equal to selling price of 14 articles. Okay, I told you this already. So if you guys can do it before me, or else just see and learn. Okay, ఇందాకే చెప్పాను షార్ట్ కట్స్లో కదా. I just said about this. That's good. Someone of you just answered. Okay, that's good. R Ashriti Praniti, that's good. So 16 articles is equal to selling price of 14 articles. Okay, simple చూడండి. So 16 into CP is equals to 14 into SP. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. ఎప్పుడైనా ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అంటే వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్ ఇస్ దట్ CP by SP equivalent to 7, like 7 by 8. Okay, so yeah, let's go to this. So ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి అలా చేసి చదువుతాను, సరిగ్గా చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Okay, you guys can comment if you want. Okay, so 7 8. ఇప్పుడు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఎక్కువ, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎక్కువ. ఇట్స్ ఎ కామన్ సెన్స్, బేసిక్ కామన్ సెన్స్. యాజ్ స్టార్టింగ్లోనే ఎవరు చెప్పారు, ఐ థింక్ తిరుపతి, రైట్? సమ్మన్ సెడ్ కామన్ సెన్స్ కదా. సో బేసిక్ కామన్ సెన్స్ వాడండి. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ తక్కువ ఉంది, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే ప్రాఫిటే కదా. సో ప్రాఫిట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఓకే, సో ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈ సంథింగ్ ఈక్వలెంట్ టు 1 పర్, ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రాఫిట్ అన్నా లాస్ అని దేని మీద వేస్తాం, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మీద. సో పర్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. ఓకే, సో 1/7 ఈక్వల్ టు, so if you know this fractional value or percentage value, you will simply wear like me 14 2/7 percentage. That's it. Okay, I believe you got it. So let's go to the next question. So next question also be the same like this. So 7th question, someone of you try this. Meanwhile I will get into it. Can someone of you try this? Okay, before I do this, can someone of you comment? Okay, comment in the chat box. Let's go to see. There we go. A man finds that CP of 2750 articles is equal to SP. Okay, same question. So CP by SP. Okay, so CP is something 2500, SP is 2750, right? 0 it cancels, and 10s 11s. So here which one is big? The same thing. So profit is 1. So let us see the profit percentage. Profit percentage will be profit by cost price into 100, 10%. We will try. Yes sir, we will try. That's good. Tirupati, thank you for your valuable suggestions. Okay, so let's go to the next. Cost price of 12 articles. Okay, let's go move ahead, guys. So cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 9 articles. So 3s 4s. So this time who is the biggest guy? Selling price is the biggest guy. So again there will be profit. That's good, Jahnavi. That's good, Gautam Reddy. That's good, Tirupati. That's really good. Okay, so Chadam. So let's go ahead. So if you guys know Telugu, say that I know Telugu, or else which language you know, just go ahead. Okay, I'll be speaking English. No worries for anything. So let us see they asked the profit earn of 5 articles. Okay, so let us do it very quickly. First let us do the first part here. Okay, so let us go into the question, dive into this question. So profit is 1, so profit percentage will be 1/3 into 100, which will be, oh that's good, Tirupati, Telugu acha. Okay, 33.33%. Okay, so let us see what else we can do. So profit percentage, so here it said that while the discount of 10 articles is equal to the profit earned on 5 articles. Okay, so let us see this one also, how to do this. Sorry for that. Okay, so discount రాస్తాను, sorry for that. Again discount రాస్తాను. discount. Okay, so discount of 10 articles is equals to profit of 5 articles. సో ఇది ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, d by p అని అంటే 1/2 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ హియర్ కేర్ఫుల్గా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి డిఈపి వచ్చింది, డిస్కౌంట్ ప్రాఫిట్. స్టార్టింగ్లో చెప్పాను డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే ఏంటో కదా, సో అదే మనం చేద్దాం కదా. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో మచ్ ఎనీ కొత్తగా రాకెట్ సైన్స్ ఇస్ నాట్ దర్ హియర్. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ థింగ్, నో ఫార్ములాస్, జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ కామన్ సెన్స్. ఓకే, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ పెట్టినా, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ పెట్టినా, అండ్ దెన్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ పెట్టా. సో స్టార్టింగ్లో చెప్పా డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే ఏంట్రా అంటే మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మైనస్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అని. ఓకేనా, ఓకే. సో సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అని, సో ఎంత కొన్నావు, మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ వాడు ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు అండ్ నువ్వు ఎంత కొన్నావు. ఆడు ఇచ్చింది 1000 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చాడు, కానీ నువ్వు 500 కొన్నావు అంటే ఎంత, నీకు 500 లాభం కదా. సో అలాగే అనమాట ఇక్కడ చూస్తాం. సో విల్ బి సీయింగ్ హియర్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ డూ హియర్. ఓకే, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ వీ నో హియర్. సో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 3 and selling price is 4. Market price ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు, let us see. Let me just give it to Joel after. Okay, one comes just comment. Okay, sorry for that guys. So market price, ఇప్పుడు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అనేది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఎంత పెరిగింది, 1 కదా. ఇక్కడ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ కంటే ఎంత ఉంటుంది, సో హియర్ దే గేవ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ 0.5. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత పెరుగుతుంది అంటే 0.5 పెరుగుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, 0.5 is 4.5. ఓకే, సో ద డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ హియర్ ఈస్, సో హియర్ దే ఆస్క్ ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంటేజ్. మన ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ వచ్చింది, ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ ఎంత అంటే 33.33%. డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎంత అంటే, డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఏం లేదు, ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ, జస్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ బై ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చిన మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ లేదా ఎంఆర్పి ఇంటూ 100. ఓకేనా, సో 1s 9s 1/9 అంటే 11 1/9. ఓకే, లేదంటే ఇది ఇంకా సింపుల్ రాద్దాం, 1/9 అంటే 11.11%. సో ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ వచ్చింది, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చింది. సో రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్స్ అడిగాడు అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ మైనస్ డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 33.33 minus 11.11% will be 22.22%. Okay, hope you got it guys. అందరికీ అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒక్కసారి చెప్తున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చింది మనకు తెలిసిందే, ఫస్ట్ ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ కట్టిస్తాం. ఇక్కడ మనకి డౌట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ డిస్కౌంట్ అనమాట, హౌ టు డూ దిస్ డిస్కౌంట్. సో హౌ టు డూ దిస్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఈస్ 10 discount is equals to 5 profit. So if I do ulta, I'll be getting 1/2, that is 0.5. So what exactly here is the main agenda here is this one. Okay, so cost price, selling price, finally market price. Okay, now so ఇది మెయిన్ అనమాట, ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ అజెండా. సో ఇక్కడ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ we know that it is 3, selling price we know that is 4 అండ్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఎలా వచ్చింది చూడాలి. సో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 1 ఇంక్రీస్ అయింది, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అనేది మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ కంట తక్కువ ఉంటుందా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందా. సో డిస్కౌంట్ వచ్చింది అని అంటే హౌ మచ్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ కంటే తక్కువకి వచ్చింది అంటే, సో సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అనేది ఎంతకి ఎక్కువ అమ్ముతున్నాం. సో హౌ మచ్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ది మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 0.5 లెస్. సో 4.5 కంటే 0.5 లెస్ అంటే 4, లేదంటే 4 కంటే 0.5 ఎక్కువ అంటే 4.5. Okay, if you guys got it, just say yes sir or else anything, so I can get to you know. Okay, so 4.5. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది మనకి. సో డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంట్ అంటే, డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంట్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్కౌంట్ పర్, ఓకే, డిస్కౌంట్ పర్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. లెట్ మీ రైట్ డౌన్ హియర్ బెస్ట్ థింగ్, ఇంటూ 100. దిస్ ఇస్ ద డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్. ఓకే, సో డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ అంటే డిస్కౌంట్ పర్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ 11.11%. So they asked a difference, so difference. That's good, Gautam Reddy. Thank you for your comment. Okay, so let's go to the next guys. So 9th is chala simple untadi, innaklandide, but it's going to be really simple. Okay, so what's the cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 9 articles, while the discount on 8 articles is equal to profit on 6 articles. Find the difference between profit. Same question, you guys can answer this. So it's the same question, please answer it. Okay, please answer it. Before I do, ఒక్కసారి మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ 4 అలా వచ్చింది సార్. ఓకే, ప్రజ్ఞ కుప్పులి, దట్స్ గుడ్. సో లెట్ మీ సే దిస్. సో ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? 0.5 కదా. సో 0.5 అంటే సింపుల్ చూడు. యూ వెంట్ టు ఏ మార్కెట్, యూ వెంట్ టు ఏ షాప్, యు ఆర్ బయింగ్ సమ్, ఏం కొంటున్నావు? ఓకే, ఒక బాక్స్ కొంటున్నావు. దిస్ బాక్స్ ఈజ్ సమ్వాట్ లైక్ 100 రూపీస్. ఓకేనా? సో దాని మీద 100 రూపీస్ ఎంఆర్పీ ఉంది. ఓకే ప్రజ్ఞ, దట్స్ గుడ్. 100 రూపీస్ ఎంఆర్పీ ఉంది అన్నమాట బాక్స్ మీద. కానీ షాప్ కీపర్ నీకు ఏం చేశాడంటే, నువ్వు నాకు బాగా తెలుసు, సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ ఎట్ 90 రూపీస్. అన్ని 10% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. అంటే ఇక్కడ నువ్వు 10 రూపీస్ యాడ్ చేస్తావు అనుకో, 90 100 అయిపోద్దా? అదే ఇక్కడ చేస్తాం అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తామంటే, ఇది పార్ట్స్, ఇక్కడ ఇలా చేయడం కాదు కానీ ఇక్కడ పార్ట్స్ అనమాట. సో పార్ట్స్ ఏంటంటే 3 ఉంది, 4 ఉంది, మనకి పార్ట్స్ తెలుసు. ఇక్కడ 1 పార్ట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఇస్ 0.5 అని. సో 0.5 ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు? సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఎప్పుడైనా మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, అప్పుడే మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో I think you got it. Okay, yeah. So meanwhile guys, I want the answer for this. నాకన్నా ముందు మీరు చేసి కామెంట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, కమ్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీవన్, 1 2 3 గో. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఇచ్చాడు. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అంటే 9/12 అంటే 3 4. సో 1 ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 33.33%. discount per profit is equal to 6/8 3 4. So once again we will be doing the same thing here. CP, SP, MP. okay, CP ante CP, what is the value of CP here? 3. SP value 4. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ వాల్యూ అంతా చూడాలి మనం. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి, మనకి ఇక్కడ బాగా తెలుసు. సో డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది 3 అనమాట, ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది 4. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మనం బేసికల్గా ఏం చేయాలంటే, వీ నీడ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ అండ్ వీ నీడ్ టు గెట్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us see how to do it. సో ఏం చేయక్కర్లేదు, చాలా సింపుల్ చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ వీ నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై విత్ దిస్ విత్ 4 అనమాట. సో ప్రాఫిట్ 4 ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి వన్ 4 వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ 3 ఇచ్చినట్టు. ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్. సో మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ కూడా వచ్చింది 17.55. దట్స్ గుడ్. ఆశ్రితి, ప్రణతి, దట్స్ గుడ్. సో డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సెంట్ అంటే ఎంత అంటే, సో 3. ఎప్పుడైనా డిస్కౌంట్ వేసుకుంటాం, ఫస్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ పర్ 19 into 100. సో ఇట్స్ గోన్ బి 15.79. దట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ రెండింటిని డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే, దట్స్ గుడ్ గౌతమ్ రెడ్డి. సో ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సంటేజ్ మైనస్ డిస్కౌంట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 17.5%. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. ఐ థింక్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్. సో లెట్ us go to the next question. సో ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను ఒక్క లాస్ట్ టైం. సో డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన డిస్కౌంట్ ఫస్ట్ 3/4 వచ్చింది. సో వెల్ డన్. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 3 వేసుకున్నాం, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 4 వేసుకున్నాం. సో బేసికల్గా ఏం చేయాలంటే, యూ నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై విత్ దిస్ థింగ్. సో ప్రాఫిట్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, సో ఇంటూ 4 చేస్తాం. సో విల్ బి గెటింగ్ అగైన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి యాడ్ చేస్తాం. సో విల్ బి గెటింగ్ 4 అండ్ లెస్ దెన్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us go to the next. That's good guys. So let us go to the next now. So can you have someone if you answer this one? I'm waiting for answer. Okay, no worries, let me do it for you guys. So after selling 72 articles, a man loses selling price of 9 articles. Find loss percentage. Come on guys, answer it. So selling price of one article will be రూపాయి అనుకోండి, just think is 1 rupee. So loss will be 9 rupees. Okay, so here selling price of 72 articles will be 72 rupees. Okay, now cost price will be, I know that I told you this, cost price is something which we add with selling price, right? Selling price, sorry for that. So 72 plus 9, so when we add these two, selling price plus loss is called cost price. So when we add these two, we'll be getting 81. So it is also 81 rupees. Okay, finally let us see the loss percentage. Loss percentage is going to be loss enta 9 per enta 81 into 100. So let us go it 1 1 sir. So 1 by 9 is going to be 11 1 by 9 percentage. You got it? Yeah, that's good guys. Let's go to the next question. So after selling 72 articles, a man earns a profit of selling price of 9 articles. Find profit percentage. After selling 72 articles, a man earns profit of selling price of 9 articles. Find profit percentage. So profit percentage anta adigadu. So what you're going to do is 11.11%. So let us see whether it's correct or not. Let's see it whether it's correct or not. Okay, so let's go ahead. So question చూద్దాం. So selling price of one article, ఇక్కడ ఏమనుకుంటానంటే మళ్ళీ రూపాయి ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఇట్ 1 rupee. ఐఎమ్ అజ్యూమింగ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో అజ్యూమ్ చేశాను కాబట్టి వాట్ ఐ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఇస్ profit is going to be how many rupees? 9 rupees, because he has said profit of selling price of 9 articles is going to be 9 rupees. So selling price is ante ikkada selling price anedi, selling price is something which they had given. So selling of 72 articles will be our selling price 72 here. Okay, so cost price anta ante, cost price is really simple because it's a profit, we will remove from profit. So it's gonna be 63. So because we got it, just a minute guys. Yeah, because we got it, what we'll do is we'll be doing the profit percentage. Profit percentage is profit how much? 9 per, what is the cost price? 63 into 100. That's it. So if you know the 9 table, it's completed. 9 1s are 9 7s are. 1 by 7 is also called as 14 2 by 7 percentage. Okay, that's it Gautam, that's good everyone. So let us go to the next 12th question. Okay, so here we're gonna see that's good 14.23. That's really good Gautam. So after selling 72 articles, a man earns a profit of cost price of 9 articles. So same question, same theology. So go with cost price. Whenever they given whenever they given here on selling price, put selling price as 1 rupee. If they give selling price, put selling price as 1 rupee. Whenever they given, but here they given cost price, so put cost price as 1 rupee. Okay, so let us see now the answer. So profit will be, here they gave 9 articles, so it's going to be 9 rupees. Okay, so cost price of 72 articles will be 72 rupees. Okay, so what is the profit percentage here? So find the profit percentage. So profit percentage is going to be really simple. So profit percentage is equivalent to what is the profit here? 9 per 72 into 100. So if you know the 9 table, 7 is simple. 1 by 8 is also equal as 12 1 by 2, 12.12. Okay, That's good guess. No, where you guessed it wrong, but it's 12.12%. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Yeah, that's good, Gautam Reddy. So after selling, okay, this is a new concept. From here on, there is a little bit new advanced concepts here. So if you are not getting it, just ask me from here on. From till the last question, it's basic questions. From here on, little bit, okay, not big, but little bit, okay. So after selling 10 candles, a man earn a profit of selling price of 3 pence. Okay, after selling 10 candles, he is getting a profit of 3 pence profit. So while selling 10 pence, a man loses selling price of 4 candles. Okay, just try to understand here the question. So there are candles and there is a pence. Try to remember. So the numerical value of profit percentage and loss percentage is equal. So this model is something which is like a profit percentage is equivalent to loss percent for numerical value. This is a model. Okay, so that's with Pragna Uppili. Okay. Oh, and the cost price of candle is half of the cost price of the pen. So it's really important. So I'll be using green ink here. So find the ratio of selling price of candle to pen. So it's going to be little bit hard, but it's easy. Okay, no worries. So it's a little bit easy also. So let us see one by one. So they gave candle here, they gave pen here. Okay, let me do it fast. So cost price will be how much? So cost price is something which I can take like this. Cost price of candle is half of the cost price of pen, which means I can write it like this, right? CP of candle is equals to half of CP of pen. So if this 2 goes here, it is 2 times. So pen is 2 times CP, right? So pen will be 2 times. If I take it as X, if candle is X, so one candle, so pen will be 2 times of X, 2 times of candles, right? So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to see the selling price here. So selling price is something that find the selling ratio of selling price of candle to pen. So we don't know. So I am using here a yellow ink. So A is to B. I don't know these values. So at last we'll be doing this. So cost price. So now go to the starting of the question. After selling 10 candles, a man earns a profit of selling price of 3 pence. Okay. So cost price of 10x and selling price of okay, just a minute. Okay, so so it will be so we got here 3 pence. So selling price of 3 pence will be taking as 3b. So here the profit percent is gonna be 3b. It is the profit here 3b per 10x into 100. Okay, so this is the profit here. So let us go to the next. So what's going to next is here is that cost price of, so while selling 10 pence, a man loses selling price of 4 candles. So let us see, the cost price will be 20x here, as cost price into this pen will be 20x, right? So 20x, so loss will be 4a, as there is a loss of 4 candles. Okay, loss is selling price of 4 candles. So let us see. So loss percentage we need to calculate here. Loss percentage will be 4a by 20x into 100. Okay, so here we can see that they had given a very important thing, that profit percentage is equals to loss percentage. So because this is profit percentage is loss percentage, we will equate these two. That means 3b by 10x into 100 is equals to 4a by 20x into 100. So let us remove what all is not necessary here. So 0 cancels, 100 cancels. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, I don't want to do it like this, but anyway guys, so a by b equal to 3 by 2 is the ratio. Okay, so hope you got this answer once again, and we just repeating it for you. So it's really simple. So the basic thing is where to start your answer. So it doesn't matter how much fast you're doing, it is the how much accurately you're doing it. Okay, so it is the basic thing. So cost price of candle is half of the cost price of pen. So simply he's saying that one pen is 2 times of candle, right? So one pen is 2 times of candle. So this is the criteria. So I got CP as 10x from the first thing, and I got profit as 3b, 3 pence, and I'll be getting this thing profit percentage, and then cost price I'll be getting 20x. Okay, so because there are 2x, it is 2x, right? So for pen it is, and loss will be 4a as they had given, and loss percentage this one, this is. Okay, hope you got it. If you got it, just say yes or okay something else so that I can know it. I'm going to the next. Okay, the next question is going to be really simple. The profit earned when article is sold for 800 is 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold 275. Find at what price he sold his goods if he wants to earn 20% profit. Let us go into it a little depth. It's a really important question. So let us see. So the profit earned when article is sold for 800 is 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold at 275 rupees. Find at what percentage price he sold his goods if he wants to earn 20% profit. Guys, can you say okay, yes or something so that I know that you're getting it? Hope you will be getting it. Yeah. So I said this is a really important question. So with this we'll be making a very important move. Okay, very important model also. Most of the time it's given in SSC CGL and also banks and mostly gate examination. Also SSC, also banks. Okay, so see here. Just let you see this. So the profit earned when article is sold for 800 rupees is 80. Okay, so basically I know something here. I know 800, I know 275. So it's 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold. Okay, so it's going to be really simple, guys. So we don't know the cost price here. So they are asking this cost price find at what price he sold, also selling price. So because we need to get the selling price first. Before knowing the selling price, we need to know that's good, Gautam. We need to know understand the time. That's good. Okay. So we need to know cost price first. Okay, we don't have cost price here. So let me put a cost price box here. So let us find the cost price first. But how to find a cost price, right? That is the main agenda here. Let us see how to get to our agenda here. So the basic thing that you're going to do here is first let us take here the value they had given. So the profit earned when an article is sold for 800 rupees. So article is sold for 800, the profit will be something which I'm getting 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold. So it will be 20 times x to get the cost price. Okay, leave whenever it is loss, we'll be adding it to get the cost price. So and they also given 275. What he's saying, loss incurred when it is sold 275 rupees, right? So here it means it is sold. So we'll be removing the same x from here to get the cost price. Okay, try to understand. If you're getting doubt, just let me know. So basically this 20x will be the profit and this minus x will be the loss. Okay, so we'll be getting here something, so we'll be getting the answer. Okay, so let us see how to get this answer. So it's going to be really simple. The first thing that you're going to do is 800 minus 20x equal to 275 plus x. So when you add this the 19 goes it goes there, 21x equivalent to, so can someone do this, 1075. Okay, so 1075 divided by 21 is gonna be some just a minute, I just messed it up. alright. Sorry for that. So just a minute for this. Okay, so what exactly we're doing here is, so same thing, so plus 20x, right? So the same thing, sorry for this. So we'll be adding something here. Okay, so to get this x, so to do this, you can just assume the value. Okay, we can just assume the value. So if you assume the value, we'll be getting it pakka. Okay, so whenever it is a loss, so whenever it's loss, so it is loss, right? The loss incurred. So whenever it's loss, you need to add here. Whenever it is profit, you need to subtract here. Okay, so what we can do here is simple thing. So I'll be adding something here to get my profit, to get my sorry cost price. Okay, so what I'll be adding here is, so I'll be adding 25. So I'm just assuming this. So 25, if I add here, it will be 300. But what I need to subtract from this to get 300, I need to subtract 500, right? Okay, so if I take 500 and 25, the x value will be 5. Okay, so this is assumptions. We can assume anything, it's your wish. Okay, so the cost price will be here 300 that we got assumed here. So and from this we could get profit. So the profit is going to be really simple. 300 into 20 per 100. Okay, so it's going to be 60. Okay, so the selling price they had asked here is 300 plus 60, which will be 360. Okay, so if you didn't get this answer, just let me say it again. Sorry for that, I just didn't mess it up. Okay, so the basic thing that you need to remember here is the basic thing. See, first thing first, here they had given something which is really important. So 300, 800 here, 275 here, 275. Yeah. So we'll assume 25 because 300 is something which we're getting here. So 25. So if we add 25 here, we'll be getting 300. Okay, so we'll be using this way and we'll get it. So let's go to the next right now. So profit after selling. Okay, profit after selling on article of 717 is this much. The loss incurred when it is sold at 27. What would be the selling price if you want to earn a profit of 10%? Okay, before going into this, let me say the previous one with the same, yeah, before going to this previous one, let me say this and go to the previous one. Okay, sorry for that. So how to do this previous one, also this one at a very easy way. Okay, so basically we need the first thing is cost price. So to get the cost price, I had 717, and I also had 527. Okay, so what I'm doing here is first I need to know what is the percentage value for 11 1 by 9 percentage. So 11 1 by 9 percentage is going to be 1 by 9. Okay, so 717 minus 527, the value will be 190. Okay, so just a minute, sorry. So 190, so it's gonna be just a minute. Okay, so it's gonna be something, we can do it like this. So it's gonna be 10 into 9. Okay, sorry, is 2. So we will get 10 is to 9. So here we can get 100 and we can get 90 here. So it will be the profit, this will be the loss. So the cost price is gonna be how much? So it's gonna be really simple. So because we got 10 and 9 here, so we'll be adding plus 10 here and we'll be adding minus 9. We'll be subtracting minus 9 here. So we'll be plus 100 and minus 9. So basically the answer we'll be getting here is gonna be 717 plus sorry, we'll be removing thing, so we'll be getting 617. Okay, so the answer of cost price is 617 and the selling price here is gonna be 617 plus 61.7. Okay, so it's gonna be 678.7. Okay, I know it will be a little bit new to you guys, but no worries, we'll be getting happy with this one. Okay, so yeah, these are the two models which are really beyond. So let's go to the next question. So it's this is the easiest question that's I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, so yeah, so if shopkeeper sells 9% at 9% loss, had he sold at 750 rupees more, than he would gain 7% gain. సో 750 ఎక్స్ట్రా అమ్మితే ఆడికి 7% గెయిన్ వచ్చిందంట. సో వైండ్ హీస్ ఇనిషియల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఇనిషియల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్? లెట్ us see. So basic thing is, let us whenever we get a example questions like this, what you are supposed to do is just put 100 here. So 100, the loss value is 9% loss, so we'll be getting 91. Okay, so the rest, so if he would gain, he would be getting 107. Okay, loss, gain. So what I'll be doing from here is, from here to here, what is the change? So here this 9 plus 7 will be 16. So for 16 rupees, like 16 parts, I'll be getting 750. Okay, so for one part, how much? It's come simple, 750 into 16. So 750 16 is, sorry, 750 by 16, right? So 750 by 16 is going to be really simple, into 100, so to get the initial CP. Okay, so we'll be getting some value, so that's will be answer. Just do it and write it down here, because we don't have much time. I'm going forward. Okay, so it's a simple thing, right? So you can do it in this way. And the second question, the 17th question, is the same question. So hope you guys can just comment the answer here. Come on, Kupili, Gautam, come on guys, just can you comment the answer here? It's easy, right? I know it's easy, so you guys can try this. Alright, so let me give the answer. So no one is responding, no worries. So a shopkeeper sells his goods at 7% profit. Had he sold it more, he would gain 13% profit. No need to do everything every time like this. Just take 100. So goods at 7%, so it will be getting 107 here. So 13%, he would gain 13% gain, it will be 113. So the difference between these two is gonna be 6. So for 6 parts, I'm getting 4248. So for one part, how much I will be getting? 6 7s are 48, 0 6 8s are 48. Okay, so finally CP, initial CP is equivalent to 100 into 708. Okay, so hope you got the answer. Next, so a shopkeeper sells his goods at 20% profit. Had he purchased it for 10% less and sold it 18 rupees less, then he would gain 30%. Find the initial cost price. Can someone of you just comment this? It's gonna be really simple. Come on guys, you can do it. Had I not seen any answers here? Okay, no one is answering, so let me do it fast. So I'll be doing for you guys, so it's gonna be really simple. So shopkeeper sells his goods at 20% profit. So 24% profit means, so let us take initial cost price to be 100. So initial cost price, so 20% profit will be 120 here, and loss will be 10%, so it will be 90 here. So what I'll be doing here is, they ask and sold it 18 rupees less, then he would gain 30%. Okay, so let me write it down here. Initial cost price, initial selling price. Again, so let us see. And had the purchase it for 10% loss and sold it at 18 rupees less, then he would gain 30% less. So 30% is, let us do for 30% here. So we will be getting here as 27. When adding 27, we'll be getting here 117. So this will be the next cost price. So this is the net selling price. So there is a difference here, and but which one is big? So basically we are getting -3. Okay, so -3, for -3 I'll be getting 18 rupees. Okay, so for one part how much? 6, right? 6. So basically you may get it doubt not. So if we get why this 27 here, right? So it's just give 30% for this one. 30% will be 27, right? So I added 27 here. That's it. So no worries. So initial, so they asked initial cost price. Initial cost price will be 100. This is the 100. So 100 into 6 equal to 600. Okay. So that's good. So let's go to next. So 19th question. So the same thing as before. If you guys can try and comment the answer, it's super. Okay, can you guys try it? Just see. So no one is commenting. Come on. If you're there, just comment. Okay. I guess I'm waiting for you. I know you guys are seeing this and just just do it. You guys can do it. Alright, let me do it for you guys. So a man sells his goods at 10% loss. Had he purchased it for 20% less, he sold it 20%. But that's it, it's completed. So I'm taking it 100, the initial cost price. So it is 10% profit, I'll be getting 110. So it purchased 20% less, so I'll be getting 980. So again here there is he would gain 40%, and 40% of 80 is 32. So I'll be adding that 2 here. It will be somewhat like 112. Okay, so there is change, but here this is somewhat like 2 plus 2 increased here. So plus 2 increased here. For 2 it is 20 more. So for one part it will be 10 more, and so the initial cost price is equivalent to, we know it's 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. Next, a man sells his goods at 25% profit. The same question, same kind of question. Okay, same 25% profit. Had he purchased it for 900 rupees less and he sold it for 900 rupees less, then he would gain 5% more profit. Okay, find the initial cost price. So they ask the initial cost price here. So it's gonna be also really simple. So but little bit you need to put your brain here. Someone has said, right, common sense. So how to do it? So that there are different ways to do it. So the easiest way I will be doing this first, and let us go to the hardest way then. Okay, so it's going to be really simple. They gave 30%. Okay, so whenever they gave the easiest shortcut, okay, 25% profit and 5% gain, just add these two. So I'll be getting 30%. Okay, so 30 per, I'm gaining 5%, right? So I'll be putting 5 here into 900 is less both the sides. So into 900. So 5 ones are 5 6 are, so 6 5 are 54. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, this is the simplest shortcut you can do. Okay, but I do not suggest you, like you may ask me how, sir, how. Okay, so I'll be just saying it to you guys how it came. Okay, so how, so the basic thing is how. So let us see the concept here. So P, profit is equivalent to 25% as they gave here. So 25% is equals to 1/4. So the initial cost price will be here 4x parts, and the initial selling price will be here 5x. As we need add 1 plus 4 is going to be selling price, right? So next cost price will be 4x minus, so how much we need to remove here? 900 less, right? So we'll be doing 900 here per 5x, so NSP. oh sorry 5x minus 900 here. So it equal to, they gave here that it will be 900, and so we'll be getting 10 by 13. So yeah, and we'll be getting, as we do it, 52x minus 11700 is equals to 50x minus 9000. Okay, so basically when we do it, we'll be getting 1350. Okay, so initial cost price will be 4 into 1350, which will be 45400. Okay, we can do it like this also, or else final way to do it is the best way. No worries, no regrets, best thing. So what you can do is cost price, selling price. So cost price is something that we know, right? So 25% profit, from this we'll be getting the cost price. So what is the cost price? We'll be getting it as 4, selling price is 5. So what you have to do is, here you need to just multiply these two terms. Okay, difference same, so we need to get it. Okay, yeah, so just multiply it with 3. Also here you can multiply it with any same number. So and we'll be getting 12 here, we'll be getting 15 here, right? 12 and 15. So just remove 2 here, also remove 2 here. Okay, we'll be getting 10 here, we'll be getting 13 here. So here we know it is 900 less, so 900, here 900 less, 900. So basically we'll be getting, for 2 we'll be getting 900. So for 1, for how much? It will be 450. Okay, so for 12 we'll be getting 12 into 450 will be 5400. Okay, your wish, you can do any sort of way, it's your wish. Okay, so these are three methods I said you. Just let's go to the next. Okay, 21st question. So if a man sells his goods at 20% profit, had he purchased it for 600 rupees less and sold it for 400 rupees less, then he would gain 10% more profit. Find the initial cost price. It's gonna be really simple, just you guessed right. I know you guys are trying, so I'm just waiting for you guys. Okay, that's good, you guys are doing good, but I couldn't see any comments. No worries, I'll be just sharing you. Alright guys, so a man sells his goods at 20% profit. So initial cost price, so cost price is gonna be 1 by 5. So it's gonna be CP 5 SP, just add 1 plus 5 will be 6. So 5x 6x. So now let us do it. If he purchased it for 600 rupees less and sold it for 400 rupees less, then he would gain 10% more profit. Okay, so how? So 5x minus less kabatti 600 per 6x minus less kabatti 400. He will be getting how much? 10%. So when you do this, you'll be getting it. So just try it and comment the answer. Okay, let me do it so you guys can just take it out. 5x 13 5x okay, by after doing it you'll be getting the x value. So the x values will be something here. So once you get the x value, so just put this x value into this one. So cost price will be 5x, so x into 5x will be the answer. Okay, if you do it, you'll be getting the initial cost price. Okay, so that's it. So let us go to the next now. Yeah, there we go. A man purchases some articles at the rate of 11 articles. Okay, some article 11 articles for 10 rupees and sells all the articles 10 articles for 11 rupees. Okay, 11 articles for 10 rupees and 10 articles for 11 rupees. So what will be the is there a profit or loss? He's asking the actual price. So it's really simple actually. So how to do it? So it's going to be simple. So as I said you 11, so they gave 11 here, right? 11 into 10 will be the articles, and the price will be 10 here. Let's write 10 here, sorry for this. So articles price, so articles, there are 11 articles and next there are 10 articles, and the price is here 10 rupees and here 11 rupees. So what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to crisscross and multiply it. So basically you are going to multiply these two with 10, multiply these two with 11. So I'll be getting 100 here price and I'll be getting 121 here. So basically I'm making it to 100, so it will be the easiest for calculation. So 100 increased to 21 plus 21. So for 21 adds how much? So 21 out of 100 into 100. So there is 21. So is this profit or loss? See, previously it is 100 and it went to 121. So it's definitely a profit. Okay, so let's go to the next. Okay, let us see this question, a perfect question. A man purchases some oranges. Sorry for that. Okay, a man purchases some oranges. One orange for 2 rupees, and same number of oranges at the rate of 2 oranges for 1 rupee, and he sells all of them at the rate of 4 oranges for 3 rupees. Find profit or loss percent. It really బాగుంది కదా. ఏంటంట ఫస్ట్ ఏమో ఒక ఆరెంజ్ ఏమో 2 రూపీస్కి అమ్మాడంట. ఓకే, ఒక ఆరెంజ్ 2 రూపీస్కి అమ్మాడంట, 2 ఆరెంజ్లు 2 రూపాయలకి అమ్మాడంట, 4 ఆరెంజ్లు 3 రూపాయలకి అమ్మాడంట అవే. ఓకే, సో సి లెట్ us view. It's really simple. So basically basic common sense here. So first thing that you're going to do here is, let us see how many fruits are here. Only one orange, right? So price. So fruit, I'll be taking it as first 1 orange, second 2 oranges, next finally 4 oranges. So the price is 2 rupees, 1 rupee and finally 3 rupees. Okay, so it goes as simple as this one. So the price or article will be this way. So price is equivalent to 1 2 by 1 fruit into 4 oranges, right? So this is the how many things that we take. So final value, it's gonna be 8, and then 1 per 2 oranges into 4. It is a CP, right? So 2 per, okay, and then 3 rupees per 4 oranges into, here you need to be careful, it's not 4 here because it's a final thing, right? So we'll be adding one more 4 oranges, so it will be 8, so it will be 6. So basically the cost price here Yeah, so cost price here, selling price will be, let us see here. So the cost price will be 10, the selling price will be 6. So 4 per 10 into 100 is equals to 40% loss. But we can do it in either way. The next method to do it is going to be really simple, so let us follow that method better than this. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Okay, so it goes as simple as this one. So it's the same thing. Let us take the fruit. There is a price. So the fruit is 1 fruit, and then 2 fruit, and finally 4 fruit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just multiplying. It is 2 rupees, right? And 1 rupee and 5 rupees. Sorry, 3 rupees. Okay, so what I'll be doing here is I'll be just multiplying this with 2 and this with 2. So I'll be getting 4 and 5, and this will be the CP, and I'll want SP, so 4, and here I'll be getting 3. So there is change of 2 rupees here, so 2 per 5 into 100, so it will be 40%, but there is a loss. Okay, you can do it either ways, it's your wish. Alright, so let's go to the next. So a man buys some oranges at a rate of 5 for 1 rupee, and same number of oranges 4 for 1 rupee. He sold all of them 9 rupees for 2 rupees. During the whole transaction, he incurs a loss of 30 rupees. Find the number of articles that he purchased. So let us see. It's going to be really simple. So basic thing that we are going to do here is, first thing is articles, and then the second thing is price. So article is, how many articles is, the first thing is 5 articles. Second thing is 4 articles. So 5 articles 1 rupee, and 4 articles also is 1 rupee. And then let us go ahead. So basically what you are supposed to do here is, whenever the question is like this, you need to take LCM. Okay, so let us see. Also there is 9 for 2. Okay, so there we go. The LCM of 5, 4, 9, these three will be 180, right? 180. So it is 180. What I'll be supposed to do here is, I'll be just incurring into it and going to it. So it will be as simple as this one. So price is 1 per 5 articles. The price is 1 per 4 articles. The price is 2 per 9 articles. Okay, so I got the LCM, so I'll be getting 180 here, 180 here, and one more 180 here. Okay, so just a small thing here that you need to observe. So 360 articles. Okay, just a minute. So here there is small change. Let me say you why. So the last one will be the selling price, because he said it is a selling price, sold all of them. Okay, so these two are cost price, this will be the selling price. Okay, so this is the basic agenda here. So what I'll be getting here is 360 articles. Okay, cost price will be 180 by 4. Okay, just a minute. 180 divided by 5 will be 36, and 180 divided by 4 will be 45. So the main thing that you need to remember here is 36 into 45 will be 1620. So try to remember this thing. that there is for 360 articles it's gonna be of 360 article CP will be already gonna be 8 rupees. Okay, so 2 by 9 into 360 will be 9 ones are 9 fours are, so it will be 80 rupees. Okay, so you can see that here okay, so number of articles that he purchased, so basically he got purchased almost 360 here, 3645, right? Supposed to be 9 okay, anyways, so base finally 360 we got it here, so 360 into T economy 10 8 double 0, so 36 into 3 will be 10,800. Okay, with this we completed 25 questions, so let's go to the next question. From here there will be dishonest weights. Okay, honest and dishonest. Okay, dishonest is something that we see in markets most of the time. So mostly in banks and SSC and many other question exams, there this is a basic thing that we'll be encountering with. Okay, let us go ahead and let us see few of the questions here. So come on, a dishonest shopkeeper promises to sell his goods at a cost price, but he uses 30% less weight. Find the profit percentage. So it's going to be really simple. So 1000 grams, if you take 1000 grams, alright, so there is CP, there is SP. So CP will be how much? 30% weight less weight, right? So I'm only getting 700, but he is giving it for me for 1000 rupees. Okay, so how much he is gaining? He is gaining 300. Okay, so he is gaining 300 for how much? For how much he is actually selling? 700 into 100. So 3 by 7 is also called as 40 to 6 by 7 percent. Okay, we can do it in the simple way. So simple, just taking 1000 as assumption, 30% decreases, so I'll be getting 700 and yeah. So how much change? That's it. Okay, next question is from the same question, so let us do it. So there we go. At cost price, but he uses 960 grams. So he's cheating 40 grams, right? So 40, but here the CP had given us but he is selling at 1000. So the change is almost 40 per how much is. So 0 will cancel for 2s 8 4 4 6 4. Okay, when we do it, getting 25 is going to be 4 1 by 6 percent. So let's go to the next. So 28th question. A shopkeeper promised to sell his goods at 44% loss, but he uses 30% less weight. Find actual loss percentage. So he got 44% loss, but he uses 30% less weight. So what is actual? So basically the basic thing here is it is 1000 rupees, 1000 grams. So he is selling cost price for 30% less weight, which means 700. But even though he's selling like that, he's getting a he is cost price, but he is selling it for how much? 44% less, which means we need to negative 44% here. So to remove 44% from 1000, I will be using 40%. If I am using 40%, I am giving up 400, right? So I am giving 600. So from 600, I have to take 4%. From taking 624, which means 56. So 560. Okay. So simple. So 700 to 56. The CP is more, SP is less. So basically it will be loss. So how much? So here if it's 600, so it will be 40, 140 is loss. So 140 per 700 into 100. So it will be 20% loss. That's it. Easy, right? Easy. So 29%. So shopkeeper promised to sell his goods at 10% profit, but he uses 20% less weight. Find the profit percentage. It's all simple. So if there are 100,000 grams, basically you can use also 100. What is this 100? That is be 100 grams. So my cost price that he had given is 800. Okay, he actual, but he is selling it for how much? 10%, 20%. Sorry for that. He sells his goods at 10% profit, but he uses 20%. Okay, 10%. So for 10%, this will be 110. Okay, so 110. So how much is increasing here? So here 80 to 110. So 20 plus 10, 30. Out of cost price, right? So 80 into 100. 8 by 3 is a fraction value for 37 1 by 2 percentage. That's it. Okay, that is pretty much. A shopkeeper promises to sell his goods at X% profit, but he uses 20% less weight, thus he gains 37.1 by 2%. Find X% profit. Okay, he is actually saying that I am giving X% profit, but he is actually cheating to 20% weight less weight. So basically, let us take 1000 grams. Okay. Here we go. You can also take 100 grams if you wish, but depends on the question. Here it's 100 grams is actually easy, but I'm giving it like because right. So CP will be how much? 20% is decreasing here, so it will be 800. And SP will be how much? So SP will be okay. Before going into this, let us see this. So gain percent is 37 1 by 2. So 37 1 by 2 is also written as 3 per 8. Just previously seen this. So 3 will be the profit, 8 will be the CP. So the SP will be 11 here. Okay. So CP of 8 is equals to SP of 11. Okay. That means CP of 800 will be SP of 1100. Okay. So we are getting it like he uses 20% less weight, so we writing it here. And a shopkeeper promises to sell his goods at X% profit. X% profit. Okay, we know the X%. Let us take it as X%. So but we got here while doing this, we got it as 1100, so it will be 1100. So difference between these two is 100, so this 10%. So the x is equals to 10. Next, so the next question is going to be about a shopkeeper promised to sell his goods at X% loss, but he uses 20% less weight. Okay, the same question, same model. Let us again take 100 grams. Take 100 grams, 20% less weight will be CP will be 80. Okay, and the SP will be how much? I don't know, but there is X% loss here, so it will be definitely less. So what I'm supposed to do here is I am supposed to go with 20% gain. So 20% gain is also written as 1 per 5. So this will be CP, this will be the gain, which will be profit. So what I'm supposed to do here is CP of 5 will be SP. When we complete this 6 parts, if I just multiply with 100, I'll be getting CP. Okay, just a minute, let us not do like this, but I am supposed to get 80 here, right? 80. So how much if I calculate? If I calculate with 16, right? So I'll be getting 80. So in the same way, we'll calculate with this 16. So 16 6 is 96. So SP is 96 here. So simply it is a X% here is 4%. Okay, we got it. Yeah. So next thing here is a shopkeeper promised to sell his goods at X% loss, but he uses 25% less weight to thus gain 20%. Find X. It's not simple. This time he is not giving that value. Same thing, 100 grams. %, loss means 75 will be my CP. Okay, so I don't know how much is he selling at because I don't know the percentage. So let us see. So gain percent I know it, it's 20%. 20% means something which I know it, like 1 by 5. So the CP of 5 will be SP of 6. So how much I should multiply here? I need to multiply it with ones 5 into 5. So 6 into 15. So 90 here. So X% will be 10. Alright, so let's go to the next. So that is third question. Very important question here. Just try to understand this one. So yeah, a dishonest shopkeeper makes a cheating of 20% at a time of buying the goods and 40% cheating at the time of selling the goods. He promises to sell his goods at 10% loss. Find the profit percentage. Okay, so it's going to be really simple. So let us take 1000 grams again. Now 100 grams. A honest discount shopkeepers make a cheating of 20%. So it will be the CP 100 rupees. So cheating makes it cheating of 20% at the time of buying. So making cheating, I'll be gaining 120. Alright. So but the CP is same. And then after this, at the time of selling the goods, he promised to sell his goods at 40%, and 40% of cheating at the time of selling the goods. So at selling, when he sells, he is doing a cheating of 40%. Alright, so what I'm getting here is 40% less, and he promises to sell his goods at 10% less. Alright, so selling price here will be 900 because he said 10% loss. But basically he will be getting some value, right? So it is we can write this one as 2 into 60, right? Yeah. So we can also multiply this one with 2. So 1200 grams plus 120 grams will be selling price of 180. So profit percentage will be 800 per 1000. Sorry, 80 per. Sorry for that. 80 per 100 into 100. So it should be 80%. So next question. The shopkeeper marks his goods 40% above the cost price and gives 25% discount to customers. So if you're taking a shirt, like this, the actual price is some 100, okay, actual price is 100, but what he is doing is he is trying to manipulate us by increasing 40% above the cost price and gives 20% discount to the customers. So basically cost price is something, so he is marking it above 40%, and then he is getting the sticker, that is MRP, and he is giving a discount of 25%. At the time of selling the goods, he uses 800 grams weight instead of 1000 grams. So not only doing this, not only 20% here, that means so he is also cheating of 200 grams. Okay, let us see how to do this. So it's going to be really simple. So basically first we take 1000 grams. So after taking 1000 grams, we will be getting into CP, which will be 1000. Alright, so I need to do something here and to get the discount and the market price. Okay, so let us go into that. So I'm cheating here. So after cheating value, I'll be getting here 800 grams. Because 20% I'm cheating, right? Like 800 grams instead of 1 kg. So I'm going to give only 800 grams to the customer. So this will be my selling price. So this is selling price. So what exactly I'm going to get? Let us see. Okay, so if you're going to take here, I'm going to take here CP, SP and market price. So the CP is going to be 100 here, SP is 105, and market price is going to be how much? So it is 40% above, right? 40% above the CP, so it's going to be 140. Alright, so what you're going to do here is from here CP to SP I'm getting an inclination of 5%. This will be profit, and from SP to market price I am reducing it to 25. So this will be my discount. Okay, so what exactly I'm going to do it is will be here. So I've got 140. If you try that, you have, so it will be 35. Okay, so leaving it here. I also had here 1000 selling price is gonna be thrift, right? So I'm just multiplying this one with 4 and here with 5. So when I multiply this one with 4 rupees and 5 rupees, I'll be getting 4000. I'll be getting 5250. So the change is 1250. So that will be my price to find the profit percentage. 1250 is the profit percentage per 4000 into 100. So it will be my 31.2%. So we got it. So let's go to next. So yeah. This will be the same question as before. So the basic thing that you need to remember here is the concept. Okay, the shopkeeper marks his goods 20% above this cost price and gives 10% discount to the customer. At the time of selling the goods, he uses 900 grams instead of case. So at the time of buying, he uses 1100 grams instead of 1 case. Wow, that's really good, right? So he is using almost 20 grams as false weight. Okay, so basically he is getting 1000 grams. So from here we'll be getting CP, which will be 1000 rupees, and from here I'll be getting 20%, sorry, 11, which will be again the CP, which will be 1000. Okay, and 900 grams. This will be my SP. So for my SP, I'll be getting 1080. Alright, so how? So CP, SP, MP. So CP I'm taking 100 and SP I got 108. So how is this? Because 8% the line, and then I'll be getting 123. Okay, I'm just removing 12 from here. I'm getting 120 here. So I'll be multiplying this to 9, this with 11. So this will be 9000 and this will be 11880. So there is inclination of 2880 per 9000 into 100. So it will be 32% profit. Okay, so let's go to the next now. So by going to the next, the next question is going to be really simple. Basic thing here we are going to take care of it is a dishonest shopkeeper takes the cheating of 10% at the time of buying he the goods and 10% cheating at the time of selling the goods. While buying he's making cheating, while selling is changing. So most of the people says that it is 20%, but no. So what is the answer? So by getting the formula, it's really simple. So it's going to be simple. So how 10% plus 10 plus 10 into 10 per 100, it's going to be 21%. Or else if you want to do the model, let us do it. Okay, so how? So let us take the 100 grams same. So what he is doing, the CP is 100 here. So again I'm getting it 110 grams. So I'll be getting the CP will be 100. Again cheating, right? So 90 and 10% at the time of buying the goods, and 10% cheating at the time of selling the goods. Also 10% when selling the goods. So I'll be getting again 100 here. Okay. Now let us see how to tackle this question. So it's going to be really simple, guys. So first thing first, you'll be doing multiplication, cross multiplications. So cross multiplication is simple, just blah blah. Okay. So into 9 here, into 11 here. So it's going to be 900. This is going to be 1100. So I'm increasing. I'm getting an inclination of from cost to selling price. I'm getting 200 extra. So the answer is going to be 200 per 900 into 100. Okay, zeros cancel. So 2 by 9 is also said to be 22 2 by 9%. You may ask me, brother, here it is 22 2 by 9 and here it is 21%. What is the difference? So for SSC examination they will value this answer. For banks examination they will value this answer. That's not much difference. Okay, so even the previous question, I will take it. Just take cross multiply into 9 into 11. Even here, I don't know what here, but yeah, 0 0 it cancels. 2 4s are 2 5s are, so into 4 here, into 5 here. Okay, so the same thing happens for the rest also. Okay, so let us go to the next now. A man purchases some number of oranges at the rate of 11 oranges for 1 rupee. How many for a rupees did he sell to gain 10%? Oh, simple. 11 oranges for 1 rupee. To get 10% profit, how much he should sell? Okay, see price here. 100. If I need to get 110, I'm supposed to do quantity, right? So it's going to be really simple. So it is 11 oranges, 10 oranges. Okay, so that's it. So how many for rupees did he sell to gain 10%? So it's going to be note करो. Okay, so उसका articles 11 oranges, 10 oranges, and we will just give the price for this, and it will be 10 rupees per orange and 1 rupee per orange. Okay, that's it. Next, अगर सेल और परचेज की अमाउंट सेम करना है तो जैसा उस टाइप में है प्राइस का जो रेशियो होगा उसके अप्रोक्सीमेट क्वांटिटी का रेशियो होगा. ओके, so let me say this. A man purchases the same number of oranges. Some of oranges 25 oranges for 1 rupee. How many oranges did he sell to gain 25%? So price first. Maybe 100. So we'll be getting 4 and 5. Alright, so now let us go with the quantity. So quantity wise I'll be getting, it will be volta, right? So quantity it will be volta 5:4. So but I need to get same amount. So what I'm doing is into 5 into 5. Okay, that's it. So प्राइस को जो रेशियो होगा उसके ऑपोजिट क्वांटिटी का रेशियो होगा. So if you are asking for 25%, so gain, so you need to multiply it with 5. Okay, so I'll be getting it. So how many he is giving it? Okay, so the same thing happens also the fourth thing. Before question, I just multiplied with the 1. So I got volta and into 1 I got 11 oranges for 100 rupees. This is 10 oranges. So to get 10% profit I had to sell 11 oranges. Okay, so here how many for a rupees did he sell to gain 25%? To gain 25% I am supposed to sell only 20 oranges. If I sell only 20 oranges I'll be gaining 25%. If I sell 25 oranges I'll be gaining only no gain. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's go to next now. So the next is really simple, the same question like this one. So by selling 32 oranges for a man, from man lost so 40%. How many for a rupee did he sell to earn 20%? So I said you right, price is gonna be 60. Just a minute. Okay, by selling 32 oranges per a man lost 40%. Oh, I got it now. 40% is 2 by 5. By selling 32 oranges, man lost 40%. How many for a rupee did he sell to earn 20%? So to earn 20%, he had to make the price, which will be 60 is to 120. So it will be 1:2, and the quantity will be 2:1. As I said, it will be volta. And then I need to do something here to get that value. So he set for 20%. So I'll be using for 20%. So if I need for 20%, I need to multiply it with 2 parts, right? So 32 by 2 will be 16. So it will be 16 oranges, and this will be 32 oranges. So by that 30 oranges, and by selling 20%, 16 oranges, I'll be getting, I can earn, he can sell 20 orange, 20%. So 48 also same. By selling a 12 oranges for a man, losses 20%. How many did he for a rupees did he sell to earn 20%? He is losing 20%. But how much actually he should actually he should sell? So how many actually is that? So price actually is 100. So he is losing. So it will be 80 here. So he need to earn more than 100. So it is 120 here. And by doing it, we'll be getting 2s are 4 3s are. So quantity is always ultas. So I'll be getting 3:2 here. The second thing will be with how much you need to multiply it. So I'll be multiplying it with 12, right? So I need to get for this one, right? So 12. So 12 by 3 will be 4. So into 4 into 4. So 4 3s, 12 oranges. Okay. So even more simpler, not even like this. We know it, right? We know already the basic value. So we need to get here 12 oranges. So which will be into 4. So the same thing here, into 4, 4 to 8 oranges. So the same thing happened here also. What we did here is, we know the basic thing here. So the basic thing here is, for 32 oranges, I'll be getting how much? 32 oranges here. So to get 32, I need to multiply 32 by 2 is 16. So here also multiply 16. So 16 oranges and 2. That's it. Okay, even for here, ulta, and I know the value here is 24 oranges. So into 5 is so into 5 you get 10 oranges. Okay, the same thing applies for everything. Okay, let's go to the next now. So by selling 45 oranges for for 40 rupees, a man loses 20%. And how many did he sell for 24 rupees to earn 20%? Wow, this was a good question, right? So basically he got 100. So the price is gonna be, and the 45 orange, by selling 45 oranges for 40 rupees, a man loses 20%, which is 80. He need to get 20% profit, so it is 120. Okay, so it's going to be 0 cancel, 4 2s, 4 3s. So the same thing, whenever we need quantity, the prices will put up, and we will get 3:2. And from here on, I'll just multiply it with the same value I need it. Okay, so how much I need it? So I'll be seeing here. So by selling 45 oranges for 40 rupees. So by selling, I'll be getting 45 oranges here, and 45 by 3 is 15. And then so I'll be doing the same thing here. 15 to 30. Okay, the question is not yet completed here, so there's few things that we need to do. Okay, what are the few things that we need to do is, first thing is, here the rupees they asked, right? So we got that oranges, 45 oranges, 30 oranges, but that's not the question. How many did he sell for 24 to get 20% profit? So how many oranges did he sell for 24 rupees to earn 20%? So if you sell all for 24 rupees, he will get more than 20%. So out of 30, only he sold few apples for 24. So how many did he sold? Let us see. So if you take like this, so for 40 rupees, the SP, he is, okay, if 40 rupees actually, yeah, for 40 rupees he sold for 44 rupees, 45 oranges, but he got 20% loss. What if he for 40 rupees he sold only 30 apples, sorry, oranges. So oranges, if you only sold 30 oranges for 40 rupees, so for 1 rupee I'll be getting, SP will be 30 by 40. Okay, so for 24 rupees, here, I'll be getting here this thing, 30 per 40 into 24. So I'll be getting that for 1s are 4, 8 is 24. So for 60 is 18. Okay, exactly 18 oranges. If I sell 18 oranges for 24 rupees, I'll be getting 20% profit. Okay, this is a question actually. If we sold 30 oranges, he'll be getting 20%. But what he's asking a particular price. If he sells for 24 rupees, okay. So if he sells for 24 rupees, he'll be getting if he just sells only 18 oranges, he'll be getting 20% profit. Okay. Yeah, all right. So let us go to the next answer. Next thing. So Bhuvanesh makes articles, 750 articles at a cost of 60 paise. Per article. He fixes the selling price so that if only 600 articles are sold, he would make a profit of 40% on the outlay. However, 120 articles got spoiled, and he was able to sell 630 articles at this price. Find his actual profit percentage. So as the percentage of total outlay, assuming that the unsold articles are useless. Again, so let us take it. It's going to be a really important question. So let us assume this to be something else. So we can do it in many different ways. But see, let me explain Hindi. अगर amount of profit हुआ होता तो नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज पूरा है तो रियल डेटा की नीड नहीं है, कंपैरिजन करना है कोई में वैल्यू उठा ले. Okay, so little bit Hindi I know, I'm just speaking, so just try to emphasize this. All right, let's go. So here let me take the CP as 100. So hello, so here there's 600 articles are sold. If only 600 articles are, he would have made 40%. Yeah, so if I'm taking 100 articles cost price, so cost price is 600, sorry 100, so I'll be getting 600 articles. If assumption this one, if 600 articles are sold, I'll be getting how much? 40%, which is 140. Alright, so if one article is sold, I'll be getting how much? 140 per 600, which will be 7 by 30. So if 630 articles are sold at selling price, he actually sold at 630 articles at this price, what he'll be getting? So he'll be getting 7 out of 30 into 630. He'll be getting 147. Okay. So profit percent is going to be 47%. Yes. Got it? So it's going to be really simple, guys. So basically what you want to do is here, basically try to make things easier. Okay, so if you take totally like 750, so he gave 750, I'm going to take everything here, he gave me, or else he will not give me marks. See, no one will give you marks for writing the biggest lengthier answers. They will give you marks for doing fast. Okay, so see, I can do also like this, cost price 750 into 60 pies per article, so 750 into 60 per 100 is equals to 450 rupees, and profit will be 450 into 40% will be 380 rupees. And what else can I do? So I can do for 600 articles 630 rupees, and for one article it will be 630 per 600 will be 21 per 20 rupees. Per selling price of 300 630 articles is equals to 21 by 20 into 630, so it will be 661.5. so I can do it like this also. But it depends, okay, but it depends. So let us leave this T here and let us go to the next. So a man purchased some number of articles at 5,400 rupees, and he sells 2/3 of them at, let us see this. A man purchased some number of articles at 5,400 rupees and sells 2/3 of them at 5% profit. At what percentage of profit you should sell the remaining to gain 30% overall? Simple. So it's going to be really simple. So two parts I am selling at 5% profit and I'm getting 10%, right? So one part I need to sold it for how much? To get 30%. So 5% I'm giving here 13%. Okay, so let us go. So 2 plus 1 will be 3 here. 3 into 13 will be 39%. Okay, so that's the thing we got here. So I think I did not say this for you guys. 39 minus 10 will be 29%. So here it is 29%. Okay, so At what price did he sold is that he sold for 29%. That's it. Okay, same question, next question also. Let us do it. A man purchases same number of articles at 1,89,900. Sorry, 189,900. Okay, and he sells 3/8 of them at 12% profit. At what loss percent did he sell the remaining to gain 4% overall? Okay, so we need not need anything else. We just need what else? 3 parts, 8 parts. We got 3 parts here, which are sold at 12% profit here, and by that I'm getting 36, I assume, percent profit here, and I want overall gain of 4% profit. Okay, so 8 plus 3 will be 11. I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, so 8 parts, right? So total parts will be 8 parts here. So here 8 minus 3 will be 5 parts here. Okay, 5. So the rest over here will be here like this. So 8 4s are 32. So I need to remove something from here, that is 4%. So what will be here? So what is the loss percentage? So to get 4 here, I need to divide it by 4, right? 4 by 5. So the loss percentage here is 4 per 5. It's also called as 80%. Alright. Okay, Puravaga. Yeah, I believe you guys did it. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the next. So without much delay. So a manufacturer estimates that an inspection 12% of the articles he produces will be rejected. 12% of the articles he produces will be rejected. He accepts an order to supply 22,000 articles at 7.55 rupees each. He estimates the profit of an outlay including the manufacturing of rejected articles to be 20%. Find the cost of manufacturing each article. Okay, so what is the manufacturing cost? Okay, so removing, he accepts an order to supply 22 articles at 7.5. Actually he is getting the person, the customer is getting for 7.5 rupees, but at what value is the manufacturing is the question point. So let us go one by one. So we can do it in many ways, but let us do the simplest way. Okay, so the simplest way to do this one is to make it into half. Okay, so first let's see the selling price. So selling price here is 22,000, and then into what does it given? He had given me 88, which is like 12% of the articles rejected. So I will be left over with 88, and then I'll be also getting it for 7.5. This is the selling price, right? So let's put it aside and let us go to the 20%. What is this 20%? So 20% is something which is a including value, right? So I'll be getting 1 by 5. So this is the cost price for me. This is the profit point. Okay, so basically the selling price is gonna be 6. Okay, so the one thing that I'm going to do over here is 6 units, right? So the six parts will be 22,000 into 88 by 100 into 7.5. Okay, and I need it for cost price. So the cost price is going to be 5 parts. So the 5 parts is how much? So I'll be cross multiplying it and I'll be getting it for the cost price. So the cost price articles, for one article is how much? Okay, so just try to do it and you'll be getting the answer. Okay, so cost price will be 20,000. Just cross multiply it into 88 by 100 into 7.5 per 6 into 20,000 into, okay, so this one get cancels, and also into 5, right? So this one I remember for it. So by doing all this calculation we'll be getting some answer. So that will be your cost price. Okay, I don't have much time, so I'm leaving this to you. Just try this. So before going to the next, let us go with this topic called discounts. Okay, discount buy 5 get for free. So shopping malls, there is most of the things like this thing, right? So they say like buy 4 get 5 free. Sorry, buy 5 get 4 free. Okay, so here market price of one article is equals to 10 rupees. So market price of 9 will be 90 rupees. Market price, sorry, selling price of 5 will be 50 rupees. So the discount price will be here 40, that is these two difference, per 90, that is market price, into 100. Okay, so I'll be getting 44 4.9%. But whenever I'm getting these things, see, for buy 4 get 4 free, it is little bit hard to do, but do it for buy 3 get 3 free. So simply you will be doing like this, right? Market price of 6 articles will be 60 rupees. So selling price of 6 articles, 3 articles will be 30 rupees. So this difference will be 30. So discount price, I know it, right? So discount price will be the difference, will be 30 per the market price 60 into 100. So it will be 50%. So this is the only concept I'm going to use. B2 discount. Okay, within 20 sums I think it will be completed. So let's go to the next. Yeah, there we go. So a shopkeeper allows 25% discount on market price and earns 30% profit. If he gets 90 rupees as profit, find the amount of discount. A shopkeeper allows 25% discount on market price and earns 30% profit. That's the main thing we need. Okay, so cost price, selling price, market price. Alright, so cost price here, selling price, market price. So try to understand this one. It's going to be really simple. So what's the discount amount? We need to find out. Okay, so the discount amount will be here like this. So before going into it, just try to understand this one more time. Market price will be 6 articles, 60 rupees. Selling price for 3 articles will be 30 rupees. So discount will be simple, just difference per market price into 100. Okay, in the same way we'll be doing it here. So for the first thing, allows 25% discount. So 25% discount I can write like this: 25% will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, the top one will be the discount, the bottom will be the cost market price. Okay, so the selling price will be 3, and let's take for the 30% discount. So 30% discount, I'll be getting profit, 30% profit. So 30% profit is 3 by 10, and it will be cost price and be 3, and selling price will be is going to be 13. Okay, so now what you're going to do, supposed to do is we'll be doing one by one. So selling price I got here as 13, and market price here is 4. Sorry, starting price is 3 here, market price is 4 here. Okay, selling price is 3, market price is 4. So here the selling price is 13, so I am going to multiply it with 13. Okay, so by multiplication I'm going to get that okay, before the going there, here this is cost price, right? So cost price will be 10 here, so 10 into into 3. Okay, into 3, so 10 into 3 will be going to be how much? So let me get out here, right? So here's the selling price is 3, here the cost price is 10, so I'm taking there here. Okay, 10 and 3, so 10 and 3 will be 30, and 13 3 is a 39, 13 4 is a 52. Okay, so from 30 to 39 it's going to be 9 parts, and from 39 to 52 it's going to be here 1, and 12 plus 1 will be 13. Okay, so basically what you're going to do here is you're again going to multiply it. So that's the main criteria here. So yeah, so 9 here, profit is 9 because cost price and selling price we will get profit, and from selling price and market price we will get discount is 13. So what exactly we are going to get? So they had already given here the main part. If he gets 90% as profit, 90 rupees as profit, so he is getting 90 rupees as profit. So to get 90 rupees, what I should multiply here? Into 10. So again into 10 here, so I'll be getting 130. So 130 is the amount of discount they had given. Alright, so this is how we need to do for a shopkeeper allowing 20% discount on the market price. So one more last time, so just something really simple. So for the first time for 25%, and then for 30%, and put the values here, and just multiply it with 13 because the selling price is over here. So and then for the cost price, because the cost price is here, the selling price is over here, just multiply it with 3. Okay, basically you are multiplying with selling price to the other things, and parts will be getting here, and you'll be getting the rest of things. So the next problem is also going to be the same. It's the 47th problem. So how by how much percentage a shopkeeper mark his goods above its cost price, so as by giving 20% discount he may gain 10%. So what is the thing that he need to do? Okay, we can do it in 2 ways, so let us do in the best easiest way possible. Okay, so by how much percentage a shopkeeper mark his goods above his cost price? By giving 20%, even by giving 20% he should get 10% profit. So simple, so cost price, selling price, market price, you know it, right? So cost price I don't know, so selling price okay, let us see. So let us see here, giving 20% discount, okay, gain percentage, it is I assume it will be 10%. If it is 10%, if it is 20%, okay, no worries. So discount percentage, let us take first. Discount percentage 1 by 5, 10% will be 1 by 10. Okay, so discount percentage is something that will be adding, so discount percentage will be reducing, right? So 4 by 5, so the one which is at its bottom is 5, the one which is the 4, it's 4. Sorry for that. Oh, there we go. Sorry for that. So 5, 4 by 5 discount price. So 4 is decreasing here, selling, and market price will be 5. Okay. So and then what I'm going to do is I'll be getting here gain percentage. I'll be getting here 11 by 10. So the profit will be 11. So I'm supposed to multiply it with 11. So the cost price is obviously 4 here, so 10 here, because there is cost price is 10 here. So cost price is 10 into how much? 11, same. So 10 into 11, sorry for that, 10 into 4, right? 10 into 4 by 4, because it is 4 by 5 here. My selling price will be here 4, and my selling price here will be 10. So basically you are crisscrossing it. Okay, so 4, so I'll be getting it 40 over here, and 44 over here, and 55 over here. So basically he's asking how much percentage of mark he should about CP. So about CP, how much he should make it. So to take it, like, check it out, 15. So above 15. So 15 out of 40 into 100 is going to be 2 2s, 2 5s, and 15 15 37.5. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go to the next. So the other way, so this is the simplest way, but we can do also in this manner. So it's 100% minus discount percentage, and 100% plus profit percentage. That's it. This is the answer. We got it. So 100% minus discount percentage will be called as CP, and this will be called as market price. So cost price is going to be the one which we getting it. So getting it for 80 rupees. 80, and market price is something is above 120. Sorry, 110. Sorry for that, because it is only 10% profit rate. I'm taking as 20%. Sorry, 110%. So what is the change from here to here? It is 30. So 30 per 80 into 100 is gonna be 37, 1 by 2 percentage. Alright, so this is how it goes, guys. So let's go to the next question. So the next question is going to be the same thing like this, so but you are supposed to do it even faster. By how much percent of a shopkeeper mark his goods above its cost price so as to give 10% discount and gain 30%? So the same, we can do it in the same cryptographical way. So cost price and market price. So to cut the cost price, what you're going to do to get the cost price, it's simple. Just you so to get the cost price, I'm just selling it for 9 rupees, but I need to gain almost 30. So it is 130. So how much is the difference? 40 for how much? 90 into 100. So I'll be getting 44, 4.9%. Okay, so let's go to the next. So a shopkeeper mark his goods at such a price that he, after allowing a discount of 12.5% on his mark price, he can earn a profit of 20%. If the article cost him 1400, then find the mark price. See, such a wonderful question, right? So the same crisscrossing idea that we'll be doing it. Let's take 100 here, and just put it in this way. Cost price, market price. So what I'm getting it is cost price here, market price here. A shopkeeper marks his goods at such a price that after allowing a discount of 12.5%, 12.5% is also said to be 1 by 8, right? So let me write it down, 1 by 8 here on market price. He can earn a profit of 20%. See, previously we did it like this, right? So 10% over here, gain here. So in the same way, discount DG, okay, DG like kind of thing. So here the profit percentage is 20%, so it will gonna be 1 by 5. So every time it will be the cost price will be just removing the cost price here, in the market price will be additioning. This is what we need. Okay, so cost price is something we can put it a 1 here and 1 here, so we'll be getting 7 by 8. Sorry for that. And I'll be getting 6 by 5. If you know the multiplications properly, 7 by 8 into 100 will be 35. Okay, no need for that, sorry for that. Okay, so just crisscrossing again. Okay, 7 5 is 35, 8 6 48. So I'm getting the ratio. So for 35 parts I'm getting how much? If the article cost him 1400, so one part for me will be 35 4s 140, so 0. This is what I got. So how much he cost the market price? The market price gonna banega 48 into 40, so it's gonna be 4 8 32, 4 4 16 7 19 19 1900. Alright, so this will be my answer. So let's go to the next. So 49, let's go to the 50. So a shopkeeper gives 250 discount to his customer. Okay, let's write it down in this manner. A shopkeeper gives 250 rupees discount to his customers, but he sells only smuggled goods, and as a bribe he pays 10% on the cost price. Find what should be the market price if he desires to profit 9 1 by 11%, and the cost price of the article is 2500 rupees. Wow, such a good question, right? So simple, the basic thing, just do it as before, no new things, just put it in this manner. So every time CP here, MP here, so CP you know it, right? So let us take how much, fine. Okay, at what percentage he was due discount? He want to give discount for us at 25%. 25% is 1 by 4, and at market price he want to make profit at 1 by 11. Okay, so let us put 1 here. So when I put 1 here, I'll be getting the profit of 3 by 4 here, 12 by 11 here. Okay, so I could just, it's a ratio, right? So ratio kind of thing, so I could just remove something here, 3 1s are 3 4s are. So if you when crisscross it and multiply, you'll be getting 11 is to 16. Okay, so when 11 is multiplied, 16 is multiplied, so you need to get into this very careful. Okay, so here they gave cost price of the article, so cost price is 2500. Okay, just a minute. Okay, he asking for additional rupees, right? So what are we going to supposed to do? So the basic thing that we are going to do here is just try to understand here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it. So in the cost price of the article is 2500 rupees, but which cost price? He pays a bribe on the cost price, so we need to remove the bribe. So the 2500 is bribe, but before the bribe it is So with including the bribe, we need to take it, right? So we need to take care of it. So 10%. So to remove it, we'll be getting 250 rupees. So we need to add 250 rupees. So we'll be getting 2750 rupees. So for 11, like for the cost price, we're getting 2750. So just multiply 250 over here, you'll be getting 2750, and multiply 250 over here, and you'll be getting 4000 rupees. So he need to sell it for 4000 rupees. Okay, so thank you guys, it's a blessing for us to meet.
Thank you guys. So it's a blessing, and we'll meet you again soon, and to join tomorrow's class. Take care. Bye bye. If you had any doubts, you can just comment. We had our Telegram channel and also YouTube channel and also everything.